be creating some looks with the new Danessa Myricks Lightwork Volume 4 palette. Now I did do a video with live eye swatches, but I wanted to do a couple looks. So I'm trying to decide what I want to do. So I'm definitely not going to try and work with the aqua chromes because I had a lot of problems with those trying to swatch them. So I do want to try to work with one of the pressed chrome flakes. They are harder to work with than the actual chrome flakes, but I want to try it out. So yeah, let's get started with the first look. More colors. I'm going to take this Hip Dot pressed eyeshadow palette and I'm going to go in with this light like peach called Bedrock and use that as my transition shade. Okay, so now I'm going to try and make this eye look pretty easy. I'm going to go in with Ojos, this like medium toned brown, and a packing brush, and I'm going to put that in the outer third of my eye. I need to get some more colors. I'll be back. Okay, let me try this brown right here from the Jaclyn Hill Volume 1 shade, which is Pooter. Let me see if that'll be darker. Okay, so I'm gonna put a base down. I'm gonna use this NYX Jumbo Eye Pencil in Matcha and put that on my lid, because I feel like these chrome flakes really need a base. Okay, so now I'm gonna take Heaven and put that on my lid. And I really have to go in hard with it. Okay, so now I'm going to take a pencil brush and go in with this brown shade here, Roxanne, outer corner. And for the lower lash line, I'm going to use that same color. So moving on to the next look, I'm going to take this Huda Beauty Rose Quartz palette and go in with Cherished, this light pinkish purple as a transition shade. And then I'm going to go in with Happiness, this kind of rose purple shade. Okay, so now I'm going to go in with Aura, which is this darker brown, and put that in the outer third of my eye. was gonna do a base for this one, but I honestly don't think it needs it. So I'm gonna go in with Awakening. It's so pretty. And for the outer corner, I'm gonna go in with Mantra, which is like this deep purplish brown. What's going on? And for the lower lash line, I'm gonna go in with Aura. And my eyes are tearing from doing the eye swatches. My eyes start to burn after wiping so much makeup off and then putting it back on and wiping it off. Alright, let me get my eyes under control and then we'll come back and highlight the brow bone. Okay, to highlight the brow bone, I'm gonna go in with Enlight. Okay, I'm gonna go finish the rest of my makeup and put on some lashes, and then I'll come back and show you the completed look. Okay, so this is the completed look, and I just paired it with a nude lip. So I really like how both looks came out. I actually think I like the one with the pressed chrome flakes more though. As far as my opinion on whether or not you should purchase this palette, I think it's best if you watch my live eye swatches video, because you'll be able to see why I'm kind of on the fence about it and not more excited right now than I should be. But I do think these are gorgeous looks, and I'm going to continue to play around with it. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and I will see you guys next time.